So, g'day people. Do you know what a furphy is? I'm wondering if you're an American watching this or a British person watching this. Do you know what a furphy is? Well, I'll get to that in a minute. Hello, my name is Glenn. I'm Australian, as you can tell from my accent. And to you Americans, no, I'm not English, I'm Australian. So, a furphy is telling a lie, telling a fib. And this is well, a word that most people in Australia should understand. Maybe the younger generation, it is actually being lost because, as you know, or as you don't know, slang changes through the generations. So older slang gets lost, newer slang comes in, and some slang would actually become part of the normal vocabulary. So furphy was adopted during the First World War by Australian soldiers, apparently, and they come about by hanging around water carts made by John Furphy. So when lots of males hang around, they like to pretend they're macho. Oh, I done this, I done that, and well, a lot of people actually lying their bloody asses off. And sooner or later, this evolved into the term furphy from that water cart being used to refer to fibs or lies that are being told. So, how would you use it in context? Okay, my friend told a furphy the other day, and everyone believed him. So that means my friend told a lie the other day, and everyone believed him. So you can just substitute the word furphy for lie, fib, or any context like that, and yeah, people should understand you. So when you come to Australia, use the word furphy. It's real Australian. Have an awesome Australian learning day. Hooroo, mate.